Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn how to add a single trend line and multiple trend lines in Excel. First, we will learn how to add single trend line and multiple trend lines for a single series. I already have a chart prepared with some sample data, which has the month value in column A and then the corresponding sales value in column B. Now, let's look at the different ways to add trend lines to it. The first method is using the chart elements method. To use this, just click on the chart and then come to the plus icon, which is the chart elements icon. Click it and then scroll down. Click the arrow beside the trend line options. Now select any of the trend lines you want. For example, I am clicking the linear option. Now a linear trend line is visible on the chart. The second method is using the chart design method. To use this method, just click on the chart, which will create a chart design tab on the ribbon. Now click on chart design. From there, come to the add chart element option, click it, scroll down to the trend line option, and select any of the trend line types you want. I'm selecting the linear option again. See, now a linear trend line is visible on our chart. And the final option is using the context menu. To use this method, just click on any of the bars in the chart. Now, right-click on the same bar. From the context menu, scroll down and then select Add Trendline. Now, from the Format Trendline pane at the right side of your screen, scroll down and select whatever you want. I'm keeping it as a linear one, or you can choose the logarithmic one. See, it changes the trend line into a logarithmic trend line. Now, here's something even more powerful. We can add multiple trend lines to a single data series. You can see there's already a trend line in the chart on my screen. Now, to add another trend line to the same series, I'll just click any of the bars on the chart. Then, I'll right-click on the same bar. From the context menu, I'll scroll down and then select Add Trendline. From there, I'll select Logarithmic Trendline. If you want, you can use any other trend lines, such as polynomials. I'll make the order 2, 4. Now we can see another polynomial trend line in our chart. Now, let's say you have more than one data series in your chart. For example, imagine I'm showing monthly sales for two different products, product A and then product B, on the same graph. Each product has its own line or column in the chart, as you can see. The month values are in column A, and the corresponding sales values of product A are in column B. And the same for the product B is in the column C. To add trend lines for both series, we need to do it one at a time. First, for product A, I'll click on any of the bars in the chart which are for product A. Now, right-click on the same bar. From the context menu, scroll down and then select Add Trendline. Now, a trend line has been added to the product A series. And then for the product B, I'll select the product B data bars. It's selected. Now I'll right-click on the same bar. Right-click and then scroll down and select Add Trendline. See, another trend line is added to the product B series. You can get the workbook for this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedbacks in the comment box. And please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials like this.